basic colors. I'm going to pour water in 3 glasses. I want my mama's help. 1 more glass. Can you pour 1 more glass? This one, mommy. Now this one. Thank you, mommy. Now I'm going to put the red color in the first glass. This red color. Whoa, I made red color. That's so wonderful. Whoa. Next, I'm going to make green color. Wait a minute. I gotta pour it. Whoa. Wow! It's amazing! Got the green color! Wow, that's amazing! I'm going to make blue color. Start! Thank you, mommy. Wait. What's this? Put it there. Making slime to do. Making slime to do. It's turn blue now. It's finally turning blue. Wow, there. I can still see green in there. But why the yellow spoon is getting green color when I'm mixing blue? These are the basic colors. Red, green, black. I will learn basic colors. Bye-bye.